What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna work on the Peugeot 103 RCX again. We're gonna take a closer look at the engine, what its condition is at, and see what we need to buy and replace to make it run better again. Because the bike runs, we've seen that in a previous video that I made like a year ago. I'm just gonna take it apart, clean it up a little bit, and just take some measurements and do all that stuff, and let's see what we need to buy or replace or fix or do whatever, make this engine great again. As you can see, there's a lot of dust and grime all over it, so this engine needs some love. So the first thing I'm gonna do is try breaking this exhaust loose. I can see the piston. Looks pretty good. Can I take the gasket out? No. But that's okay. Let's put these bolts in the exhaust pile. Let's take off the engine mount. Okay. Next step, let's check the electrical side of the engine. I'm gonna need a tool for this. So that's not coming apart right now. Put this back on it. I'm gonna have to search for a tool for that. That's a bummer. I really wanted to get that off right now. Maybe we can get that loose. Let's see. This is assembled. Then there's a spacer. Then the whole assembly comes loose. This is also loose. Then this housing. Another washer. That's the whole assembly. Oh, I guess I can take this off. That serves no purpose. Is it attached? Oh yes, it's attached. It's going all the way through. Let's start with another piece. I'm being extra careful with the bolts. Don't want to break off stuff. Okay. Yes. Okay. Smells like old fuel. Next step is gonna be the cylinder head, because I cannot get to the electrical part of it. Let's see, let's spray some WD-40 on it, because these bolts look rusty. This is gonna terminate if this build will work, because I'm not planning on buying a new cylinder. Okay. Okay, let's try this one. Okay. It seems that it doesn't want to come apart. Let's spray it again with WD-40. Let's try it again. God damn it. Okay, that's one. That's two. Number three. Last one. Yeah. They broke loose. Thank God for WD-40. crack the seal. Oh my God. You guys need to get a good look of this. Look at this. That's a dirty engine. The head seems pretty fine. But this, oh my God. Ooh. Ooh. Cylinder wall looks good. Piston, not that good. A lot of scoring. And there she goes with the bearing. Crankshaft looks okay. A little bit rusty, but looks okay. Too bad I can't loosen this up. I really want to take the engine completely apart, but I don't have the tool to get this off. Check it out, guys. I got it off. I was organizing everything to go to the next step, and my dad came and he said, hey, we got this tool, maybe you can get it off. So what do? We pop the nut off, stick this into here very carefully, put some tension on it, get a soft hammer, give it a little love taps, and it's off. So basically the next step would be to take off the whole ignition coil, and then we can take off this cover. And now we need to take out these. And there is the whole electrical system. Let's put this into a safe place. Next up, we're gonna remove this shell, same pair of bolts. Okay, let's pop it off. Okay, now this should come off. Yeah, another step. This is pretty bare boned. Now, I need to pop this off. The best way to do it would be applying some heat to the bearings, well, to the bearing housing right here. Then the whole shell would expand a little bit and the bearing should pop out. I'm pretty happy with the stage right now. I'm gonna clean this up before I apply some heat. There's gonna be another video. It's just so random that I got it off. Little update. Now let's get back to the old video. So yeah, that is the engine teardown. As you can see, we have a lot of stuff to clean and to make better again. The piston looks pretty rough. The cylinder head, the cooling proportion of it looks also pretty rough. Get new gaskets, get everything new to rebuild this engine and yeah, make it run again. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and a comment down below if you have any suggestions for this build. If you like what you see, follow me on Facebook, Twitter and on Instagram. Subscribe to the channel to see more and see you in the next one.